Introducing the Nutrition for Losing Weight package. Featuring over 17,000 words of high-quality nutrition for losing weight content. This high-quality nutrition for losing weight package here's everything you'll get in the B in nutrition. PLR Report, a beginner's guide to nutrition for losing weight, 3,856 words, 10 pages. Table of contents for the Nutrition for Losing Weight Premium PLR Report. What is good nutrition? 2. The basic food groups. 2. Good nutrition helps you lose weight because 3. Nutrition myths, busted. 3. Nutrition myth number 1. Carbs are bad. 3. Nutrition myth number 2. All calories are equal. 3. Nutrition myth number 3. All saturated fat is bad for you. 4. How does good nutrition help you lose weight? 4. Fiber. 5. Inflammation. 6. Metabolism. 7. Steady blood sugar levels. 7. Make small changes, reap big results. 9. The power of changing your habits. 10. Getting started. 11. A look inside the Nutrition for Losing Weight Premium PLR Report. Sample content for the Nutrition for Losing Weight Free Premium PLR Report. What is good nutrition? Trying to eat better? It can be a confusing path. Information about what's healthy and how to lose weight comes in many shapes and forms, and the information is often contradictory. You might hear the old adage, calories in, calories out. And the next minute you might read that not all calories are equal. So what's the truth and what is good nutrition? Do you trust the federal nutrition guidelines, your doctor, your best friend, the latest trend, or do you listen to your body? If you're confused and frustrated, you're not alone. The good news is that all of this confusion really only stems from 2 places. New science and information being released. People trying to profit these can overlap. Quality companies and manufacturers do make good, nutritious food based on the latest in health and nutrition science. If you can evaluate the nutrition information you're reading or hearing and ask where the information comes from, then you're way ahead of the majority of the population. This guide incorporates that new science and information. We'll share what the guidelines are and why they have been created. Let's start with the information you may have learned in grade school and how it's changed over the years. The basic food groups. Do you remember the food pyramid? Presently it looks a bit like this. 6 to 11 servings of bread, cereal, rice and pasta. 3 to 5 servings of vegetables. 2 to 3 servings of milk, yogurt, and cheese. 2 to 3 servings of meat, eggs, nuts, beans, fats, oils, and sweets. Use sparingly. It doesn't look like a big deal, right? You might look back on your day and think, well, I've had my 6 servings of grains and bread. I've had my dairy, meats, and I've even had a fruit or veggie serving today. I'm not doing too badly. Serving size matters. Servings are often misleading. For example, 1 serving of pasta is a half cup of cooked pasta. Put that on your plate and you might frown because it looks like a quarter of what you might consider to be a serving. However, a serving of vegetables is a full cup. Serving size is where most people get tripped up. Why the difference? Why is a serving of pasta a half cup and a serving of vegetables a full cup? Because, while calories are equal mathematically, your body processes foods differently. Calories from a cookie are not the same as calories from an apple. Don't worry, we'll break it down so it's much easier for you to manage. You can eat nutritiously and lose weight. Good nutrition helps you lose weight because, with all the fad diets and pills on the market, you might wonder why nutrition matters. Many of the not-so-healthy foods we eat are inflammatory, that is, they make your tissues and cells swell up. This inflammation is responsible for most diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. It also causes weight gain. Good nutrition reduces inflammation. Instead of constantly trying to repair, your body can function optimally. Good nutrition gives you more energy, increases your metabolism, repairs disease and dysfunction, and much more. Your body is an amazing machine. In many cases, you can actually reverse damage done to it by simply changing your diet and fueling your body with the nutrition it needs and deserves. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's have a little fun and debunk some common nutrition myths. Nutrition myths busted. Nutrition fact sheet PLR checklist, 236 words, 3 pages. A look inside the nutrition for losing weight-free premium PLR checklist. 20 related nutrition and weight loss PLR articles. 3 easy portion control habits to start using today. 448 words, a beginner's guide to balancing the food groups. 414 words, a guide to carbohydrates and weight loss. 422 words, a guide to the 6 nutrients your body needs on a daily basis. 501 words, do antioxidants help weight loss? 433 words, do you need weight loss supplements? 436 words, essential vitamins and minerals for weight loss. 413 words, good fats versus bad fats for weight loss. 427 words, how small efforts in portion control can achieve weight loss. 424 words, how to modify recipes for healthier results. 481 words, how to understand the nutritional value of everyday foods and packaged foods. 427 words, how you eat your food is just as important as what you eat. 407 words, the importance of protein in weight loss. 434 words, the 3 top reasons to eat a healthful balanced diet. 428 words, what are processed foods? 435 words, what is fiber and how can it help with weight loss? 407 words, what is nutrient density? 433 words, why eating breakfast can help you lose weight. 404 words, why experts say diet sodas are not a beneficial part of a weight loss program. 406 words, why you need antioxidants and a guide to natural sources. 404 words, a look inside the nutrition for losing weight-free premium PLR articles. Nutrition for losing weight PLR article sample. 3 easy portion control habits to start using today. Portion control is probably one of the least favorite topics to think about when trying to lose weight. Images of scales, measuring cups and spoons, and countless hours weighing and remembering how much of what food you ate springs to mind when the words portion control are uttered. Yet it doesn't have to be that way, or that hard. There are a few simple tricks to portion control that, when practiced consistently on a daily basis, yield weight loss results. 1. Divide and conquer. This trick is the easiest and can be practiced anywhere with any menu, whether you are in a restaurant, visiting a friend's house, or at home. Look at your plate when it is empty and divide it in half. The top half should be filled with vegetables or a combination of fruit and vegetables. Fresh tossed iceberg lettuce salad along a side of steaming broccoli. Bright carrots sitting next to a lovely serving of green beans. Sliced sweet strawberries nestled up against a mound of dark leafy greens. You get the idea. The top half of your plate should always reflect a combination of foods that are fruits and vegetables, or just all vegetables. The lower half of your plate should be split into 2 sides. One side is the protein. Chicken, beef, fish, or beans should occupy this portion of your plate. The other side should play host to a carbohydrate. Preferably complex, brown rice, a slice of pumpernickel bread, or maybe a serving of whole grain pasta, without any cream or butter-based sauce. And that's really all there is to it. Portion control without heavy thinking, no matter what is being served. 2. Smaller is better. Another easy tip is one of the oldest dieting tricks in the book, a smaller plate. When you fill up your smaller plate with the ratio of vegetables, fruits, carbs, and protein mentioned above, you will trick your mind into thinking that you really are indulging. Your eyes can't see any empty space on the plate, so this meal is going to be satisfying. 3. Work it to get it. Don't bring the serving dishes to the table. Studies show that when you have to get up from the table to get another helping of food from the stove or kitchen counter, chances are you won't. Overeating is reduced, and in turn, so is your total caloric intake for that meal. Do that for every meal and your total daily calories will be reduced, aiding in your weight loss. Nutrition for Losing Weight Keywords Research Pack. Nutrition for Losing Weight PLR Reviews. 3 long product reviews. Breville 800J XL Juice Fountain Elite. 919 words, customized fat loss diet program. 975 words, perfect portions digital scale, plus nutrition facts display. 973 words, for short product reviews Eat Smart Precision Pro. Multifunction digital kitchen scale. 557 words Fit Deck. 497 words Fitlosophy Fitbook, Fitness and Nutrition Journal. 454 words The China Study Book. 444 words A Look Inside the Nutrition for Losing Weight Free Premium PLR Reviews. Download now. We have 60 days refund policy. $90. VAT United States, 0%. $0. Total amount $90. Address